Lagyan na siya ng lime. Pagkatapos siya pong gumawa ng lime, mumug ka na ng malamig na tubig para titigisa po siya. Kapag matigisa po yan, eto na siya. Magkakulay na po sila ng ngipin ko na yellowish.
Hi, Expi Fam! Welcome to another episode of Exquitalk, where we separate dental trends from real dental truth. I'm your host, Ira, and today kasama natin ang isang dentist behind this relatable POV sa social media, Doc Con of Exquisite Advanced Dental Center. Hello, Doc! Hi, Ira! Hi, everyone! And yes, that intro, no, very real, nakakatakot. Araw-araw marami nagtatanong sa akin about sa veneer videos. Doc, hindi ka lang basta dentista, isa ka din pong content creator na marami pong followers. Paano po ito nakaka-apekto sa profession nyo?
Malaki ang impact kasi when you're on social media and you have thousands of followers, hindi lang aliw ang responsibility mo. You're shaping decisions, kaya ginagawa ko yung POV contents ko. Relatable, but still grounded sa tamang dental knowledge.
So yun, Doc, pag-usapan naman natin yung nakita po natin kanina, yung DIY veneers. Bakit po ba delikado to?
DIY veneers kasi can trap bacteria, tapos irritate your gums, and can cause underneath and even change your bite alignment. It's a long-term problem in disguise.
Reality check talaga, Doc, no? Pero what should people choose instead po?
Always consult your dentist. We have safe options like professional veneers, composite bonding, teeth whitening, and full smile design assessment. Because every smile is unique. Hindi pwedeng one size fits all.
Doc, doon naman po sa mga nakapag-try na ng DIY veneers, then nakakaramdam po sila ngayon ng irritation. Ano po ang dapat nilang gawin?
First, remove the material immediately. To help the gums recover, we usually recommend yung mga chlorhexidine mouthwash, to ma-reduce yung mga bacteria. Gel to soothe and heal the inflamed gums. And most importantly, schedule the dental checkup ASAP. So, kailangan siya makita ng dentist talaga.
Doc, last POV po para sa ating mga viewers. So, ayun mga ka-Expi Fam, remember, viral doesn't always mean vital. Choose professional care, not shortcuts. Here at Exquisite, we prioritize your oral health and you because this is Exquisite Advanced Dental Center where healthy smiles begin. See ya!